Yo, guys. This is Rayan Rashid back here with another vlog. I'm here in my loft. Um, my loft slash future studio or store slash luggage, um, luggage, store slash video editing office. That's right, I'm at the highest spot in my house. Let me just sit here and tell you that this here is my tailor shop. And if you can just see, there is this pretty rainbow outside, and this is just an update on what I've been doing today. Okay, the movie Mortar Engines starring, it's a movie filled with unknown actors, because I believe it's starring Jason Sudekis as the villain. The Hester. That's the name of the bad guy, and it's a mostly post-apocalyptic movie, and it's all about the post-apocalypse, such as the future. And after I watched the movie, I suddenly experienced darkness in real life. Don't worry, guys, it wasn't the end of the world, but it was just a warning sign that the humans, if you continue to damage planet Earth, then world will not survive until 2118, the year 2100. No, I'm bad at math, you can see. So 2138 was the future, and it was looking like gorgeous after the apocalypse hit. It actually was the new world 2138. That was a very awesome world filled with flying cars and enough with this global warming. It was super bright world, and there wasn't any plastic whatsoever in that 2138 world. There was nothing. And for food, we ate plant foods grown from planet Earth or planet. And FYI, there is another planet that I've heard from the news, the science news, because I watch NASA TV. They say that 70 million light years away from planet Earth is a new planet, the similar planet like planet Earth, that was millions of light years away. So I said, millions of light years, eh? So millions of light years just means that the definition of millions of light years just means because space up 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 way up in the above the planet Earth, there's space, and so long story short is that 75 million light years is like the speed of light, if you can say, eons away from us. So that was a call to action. Is that a call to action? I mean by that, no, a call to action. By that I mean, we must do something about this global warming to prevent global warming will kill us all if we are not consuming reusing products, cycling to work, throwing trash in the receptacles where they belong, and reusing stuff like, as you can see, I'm reusing my old TV for editing purposes to catch back on former memories. This bed I'm reusing this paper, this sewing machine. It still works. Look, guys, there's a pump here, and it's still operative. Saudi Arabia we used to, and I don't think this is from Saudi Arabia, but the point is it still works. I can press it, but I'm not going to. I can just pretend to press. As you can see, here's my foot. I'm pressing. Just slightly pressing. Slightly pushing down. But as you can see, it is. I don't have anything to stitch or anything to show you. But anyways, that was an update on what I did today. As an update on the Maple Leafs, there are an update on the Maple Leafs. Space. Nothing's happening that much. Training camp, I believe, is in less than 2 weeks away. September is just running by. You know that saying goes, running like a lamb. It is actually like hustle bustle, running like a lamb. August runs like a lamb, and into September. September is cold. Winter, hello, that's my job where I get money, which is good, but I'm willing to make more money. You know that, as always, everyone wants to make money, and I want to use this space to create a business. I have music booths over here, and I can just set up a TV if I had money, and I look back here. I have storage for soccer meets for the Eid and luggage and stitching right here beside the window. Okay, guys, so that's update on my life. I'm praying to God every day. I'm doing that stuff, religious stuff, and necessary stuff. And as you can see here is the radio. It still works. This radio still works. And that Sony still works. Trust me, guys. I've seen my childhood. Some childhood memories. There are lots and lots, eons of memories from my, I guess you can say, adorable childhood. Okay, so nothing really much to update you guys sports-wise, but business-wise, I'm getting lots of ideas, and tomorrow I'm going on a training to learn Amazon, how to do Amazon, and how to make money. It's basically how to make money in the new world coming up in the 2020 and beyond. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for watching my videos. Remember to smash that subscribe button as always. Thumbs up this video. Give this video billions of thumbs up if possible, or I would appreciate it if this can go to 100 likes. Let me just aim for 100 likes, because 100,000 thumbs up, I mean, let's just say 100,000, or yeah. So remember to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up this video. I'm gonna challenge you guys to see if it can go up to 100,000 thumbs up. That's all I'm asking. Or just eliminate 1,000. 100 thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Thank you all so much. Peace out and good night.